Good morning, dear students of class 9th. Now, because of or due to coronavirus, we are unable to teach offline classes. So, you have to learn why online teaching. Now, your chapter Reach for the Top is in progress. First part has been taught, which is related to Santosh Yadav, and all the shorts and long of part first have been written, and now you have known a lot about Santosh Yadav. First of all, I want to throw a light on the character of Santosh Yadav, and after it we will talk about second part, which is related to Maria Sharapova. So first, Santosh Yadav was belonged to such a family where girls were not more important. They had a little importance in the society. A girl baby was not welcomed as a boy. So, facing such of these problems, Santosh Yadav reached at the top of Mount Everest. She was the youngest woman who reached the Mount Everest twice. Her character teach us to each of us a very important lesson कि if we have determination in our life, we can do anything. There is no impossible in our life when we are determined. Now, part second, Maria Sharapova. So Maria Sharapova was a Russian girl who reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely 18. For getting her aim of life, Maria Sharapova had to face many problems like Santosh Yadav. Maria Sharapova went to USA with her father. Her father's name was Yuri, and her mother couldn't go with her because of visa restriction. In her hostel, Maria Sharapova was tortured by senior players a lot. Being a small girl, she would sleep at 8 p.m. but her senior players who would come at 11 p.m. and woke her and forced her to clean the whole room. But this incident never got depressed to Maria Sharapova. These incidents gave her more courage, more strength, more power to face all such kinds of problems. Her character is a very motivational character for broken students, those students who understand themselves nothing. Such kinds of characters give such students encouragement. The only motto of Maria's life was to get success by hook and by crook. She was ready to receive such kinds of insult, but she never thought to give up her hostel or her training, and finally she was the youngest player who reached at the position. For reaching this kinds of grand success, she took only 4 years. Because of her hard labor, because of her devotion, dedication and determination, Maria Sharapova got such position which is unable to get others' dream. But she proved that every dream can be true because of hard work. In next lecture, I will teach you about Maria's about more information, and important short answers will be written tomorrow. Okay, now thanks. Keep hard working and be safe. Thank you.